What's up, guys? This is HumbleFx, and today I'm going to show you how to make withdrawal from the Deriv market. I've got a lot of messages on how to withdraw through Deriv in Nigeria since they have deactivated the peer-to-peer withdrawal method. So many people are having a problem in withdrawals and orders. So in this video, I'm going to show you with a live proof how to withdraw from the Deriv market. All right, and we still have our on the hotel strategy. You see it here. I use it to take trade. I took the trade actually when this thing crossed over here and this one happens, and I got some peep here. You can see I made some good profit right now. Today I made some good profit. That's not a small, this is not a little stuff. So this is my live account, if you see that. So guys, now let us check on how to withdraw through your Deriv account using Deriv agent. Alright, we have different ways to make withdrawals on Deriv. It's not really only using agents to withdraw. We have other means like using Skrill, using Perfect Money, using cryptocurrencies, using Netella, and add cash. So there are other ways to make withdrawals, but here in Nigeria, as a Nigerian, it is easier and more better to use agents, because at least agents will give you a better rate to dollar than using Skrill. Skrill rate is very low and it takes time, and they take charges to send it out. To sell it is a problem to us here in Nigeria, and except you have a dollar account that you can send it straight up and withdraw through cash, which is a stress for me. So I recommend you to use payment agent to fund your account and to withdraw. Remember, you withdraw only by the means of funding, and if you're having issues with using a payment agent, you can chat up the agent. You can chat up the Deriv agent. Okay, you can chat them up and explain to them, disturb them. That's how I did. They will actually activate your withdrawal through agent. I had to disturb them. I had to chat them over and over. I chat the first one, it did not accept. It did not accept. I close the chat. I chat the second person. I chat like three agents at the same time before they now see that I'm serious. They have to do what they need to do and activate my payment through agent. Now let's dive to the video and let us see how to actually withdraw money from agent through an agent. Remember, there are fake agents, there are scammers out there that will take your money. Once you send the money to them, they will block you. Okay, so you have to be very active, and I'm going to give you a reliable agent that I've been using for over a year or two right now. So that agent is very reliable, and that is what I'm going to refer to you or recommend to you right now. So let's go to the business of today. Now I'll go to my Deriv wallet. This is my Deriv wallet. Okay, I go to my Deriv wallet. Remember, you have to withdraw the money to your wallet first. You cannot withdraw from MT5. You have to first of all transfer it from the wallet, from your MT5 to your wallet. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to transfer the money to my wallet first. So I'm going to transfer it from my MT5 to wallet. I'm withdrawing all this money right here, all the money in the account. I'm going to withdraw all of them. Okay, so I'm going to withdraw all of them. All right, so this is it right here. So once this happens like this, the next thing I will do is that I'm going to click on this. You see where I clicked. If you are not new, you should know what I'm talking about. Sorry about this. So I clicked on this particular place. I click on this particular place here, this three line. All right, so I click on it and I'll click on cashier. I click on payment agents. So first of all, let us do a deposit. Okay, let us just assume we are trying to do a deposit. Click on the agent. Okay, now you will see options to deposit and to withdraw. Okay, now let us do first of all how to deposit through agents. Now, even if you want to deposit through an agent, you see options here, deposit, and you see option of withdrawal. So if you are going to deposit, look at here, they say you should search the payment agent name. You can search if you have a special agent you want to use. you search the name here. If you don't have, you can check anyone here. You can see them. There are many of them here. You can see this person. You can choose this person. You can choose this person. You can choose this person. If you want to get to know more about any of them, you can join their Telegram channel. You could see they have some have websites, some have just Telegram channel, or you see this guy have a website, so you can actually join the website or the website and then get more to know them. But I have a special agent I use, so if you want to come here to deposit, just come here and search this name, search this name. You see that? Copy this name and you use it always. Search it. Let us search for this name, and you see him here. This is his only account, so you can join his Telegram channel here or Telegram group. The group is active. You can actually chat there. You can send message. You can ask questions there. So you can join his Telegram group from that place and get to know more. And now if you click on this place, you can just click on, you can change the payment method that you prefer. You can come here and click choose the one you want to use. Okay, so but because we are using an agent, so we are in Nigeria, we are using to transfer through Naira, so you don't need to worry about that. Just click on the agent. Okay, click on the agent, and then this is what happens. You see the phone number, the email address, and all that. So after you have done that, you click on it. Sorry. So once you are here, what you need to do is look at what they said here. They say you should contact your preferred payment agent for payment instruction and make your deposit. So they will give you instructions on what to do. So what they will need from you is for you to pay. Give them this thing. This your account number. So if they ask you for a number, that is the number you will send to them. That is all what they need from you, and the money you are paying, that is all what they need from you. That is just all what they need from you. Okay, now let us go back to where we are. So now here you contact him. This guy have a very good rating. He has a very good exchange rate, very good. So that is how to deposit. Once you send them a message on Telegram, you want to send him a chat on Telegram, he will attend to you, and he will attend to you very, very effectively. So if you chat him, tell him you are from HumbleFx, so that he will attend to you fast as fast as possible. Tell him that you are from HumbleFx, and he will attend to you as fast as possible. Now to make withdrawal, you click on withdrawal button here. Okay, and then you get this message. We have sent you a message to your email address. So you go to your email address and get the message just as usual. Okay, just as usual. Now let me go to my email address and see if I have seen the message already. So I'll check my email address to see if I've seen the message already. Now I've not seen the message so far. So I'll wait for it to come, because maybe it's network that is holding it. And after like a minute, the message drop. Look at it here. So I'll just click on the message, and I will click on yes, it is me. All right. So it will take me to back to the Deriv wallet. So here it is now. You say I should choose the same thing. You say you should choose your preferred payment agent. All right. So right now I'm going to choose the same person I told you about. So just search for that name. Okay, search for him. This is him here. So this is him here. The next thing is you click on his name, or this button down here. You click on this button down here. So it will show you details. You will see how much you want to withdraw. For me, I have a limit of $5 to $5,000. So I can withdraw any amount. Let me withdraw. I have $400 here. I have 400 equity. I'm going to withdraw 300 and $331.5. So this is the amount I'm going to withdraw now. So I will click on continue. All right. He said am I transferring this money? He said I should confirm it. So I have to confirm the name is correct, the amount I'm doing is correct. Okay. So I'll just click on I confirm. Okay, I confirm, and then I will click on transfer. Okay. You see that you have transferred $331.5 already. So this is done. Now next thing to do is you can actually contact the person through a phone call, through an email address, or through the Telegram handle, and chat him that I've sent this thing to him. So the next thing you do, just take a shot of this thing, take a shot of this page, like this, okay, and then go to his account. Here is his account here, okay. I'll just send him that this. I'll just send him that I've sent it, okay. I'll just say do this right here. Then you send the account number you are using, okay. You send the account number you are using for him to pay into. Remember, I told you that I've been with him for a long time, so he only have my account number. Now here's my last chat, my last stuff with him, my last stuff that we did yesterday. You see that I sent him $302, and he paid immediately. He paid sharp. He paid fast. Okay. Last time I paid him $400 plus $700 plus. He paid this one. I sent him $405 $3. This one through Scray, and he paid fast. Look, he paid very fast. Okay. So that is how to do the accounts, the making withdrawals and deposit through payment agents as a Nigerian, or anywhere you are in the country, in any country you are that allows agent payment. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, like the video, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any question regarding this topic, you can always contact me on my Telegram handles or WhatsApp, and I will attend to you as soon as I can. All right, I remain humble. Enjoy.